The following video is a screen capture of supports being placed on the 3D Hub's order 2,622,788. The PreForm software will produce a form build file used to send instructions to the Form 2 3D printer for printing in 3 dimensions using the following parameters. Total volume with supports equals 20.28 milliliters, layers equals 1228, print time approximately 4 hours, black material at 05 millimeters resolution. For printing on the Form 2 3D printer, please email us at design.create.3d@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.